Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a game called Google Chrome Dino game. So it's a Google Chrome Dino game. It's a game where when you don't have internet and it's the dinosaur that runs when the ground's scrolling and there's cactus coming towards him and he has to jump. So that's what we're going to recreate today. Let's start. So you might notice here I have dinosaur, the ground and the cactus. So in the dinosaur you have to search this on Google. You can find these two costumes, right? And in the ground I made this myself. You just make a straight line and you make dots, a lot of dots in here, that. And cactus, find this on Google too. We have one cactus, two cactus, three cactus, four cactus, and a big cactus. So yeah, let's start. So in the dino, we'll put in a when green flag clicked. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I have a variable named speedy, and it's for this sprite only. Like speedy for this sprite only. Okay. So we'll set speedy to 0. We'll go to x negative 170, y negative 80, and forever we will change speed y by negative 2, and we will change y by speed y if speed y is less than negative 80, then, not speed y position, sorry. If y position less than negative 80, we'll set y to negative 80, and we'll set speed y to 0. Then, if make an and here, we'll make two ors. If key up arrow pressed, or key space press, or mouse down, and y position equals to negative 80, then we'll set speed y to 16. So let's test it. And I'll actually set this to negative 60. Yeah. And there you go, it's perfect. Very good. So now we'll make the animation. So when green flag clicked, forever, wait 0.1 seconds. We'll put in next costume. Maybe a little faster, 0.05 seconds. Okay, so that's nice. And we have that. Jump. That's what we want. Now for the ground, we want the ground scrolling. So when green flag clicked, place it, go to x 0, y negative 40, and before that, you'll put in a create clone of myself. Now, forever, we'll change y by negative 10. Oh, not change y, change x by negative 10. And if if x position is less than negative 480, we will set x to 480. And here, when I start as a clone, we'll duplicate this. We'll change this to 480. So now let's see. Wait, not negative 40. Negative 100. What is that? That's nice. So in that position, 120. Negative 120. And in the Dino, I've got to put in a go to front layer. Okay, now we have a running Dino. You can jump. So now we'll go to the we'll make the cactus code. So when green flag clicked, we'll hide forever. We'll wait. Pick random 1 to 3 seconds. We'll create clone of myself. At the beginning, I forgot to put in wait 3 seconds. So when I start as a clone, we'll show switch costume to pick random 1 to 5 because there's 5 costumes. And now we will go to X 240 and the Y, I'll make it negative 85. Okay. Then we'll put in a repeat until X position is less than negative 240. We'll change X by negative 10. At the very last, we'll put in delete this clone. And in the Dino, you'll put in if touching cactus, we will stop all. So let's test that. Dino, scrolling background, nice cactus. Oh, let me check. There's some glitch, so I'll adjust this to negative 239. Hope that works. Let's test it. Oh, I can't jump off that one. That's nice. I'll actually adjust this to negative 84. Make it better. So now we'll add the score. Score. Full sprites. Put this larger readout. Put it right here. Okay. So now in the, where would we put it? I'll put it in the Dino. When green flag clicked. Forever. Wait. Oh, sorry. Wait 0.1 seconds. We'll change score by 1. Let's test that. Okay, we have score. Now, I think I must adjust the jump to like 17. Yeah, that's make it better. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Scratch on.